Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima L. It comes with 54,519 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Estima is four-wheel drive. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They do go away. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look at the dash. The number that you're seeing up top, 87,741, that is the kilometers. The miles is 54,519. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. I did forget to show y'all the inside of the vehicle. Let me go ahead and do that really quick. All right. Thank you guys so much and have a blessed and safe day.